We're doing anything from stripping and waxing to disinfecting. The main thing that we're really focusing on this summer is the disinfecting process. We really want to make sure that we're getting all those high touch points, those doorknobs, areas that kind of go overlooked. The CLOROX 360 machine is a machine that we recently brought into the district. It allows us to clean more efficiently. It gives the custodians more time to focus on other things because the disinfecting is happening so quickly and efficiently. The normal disinfectants that we use right now, they take approximately 10 minutes to be effective. The CLOROX 360 machine takes approximately 2 minutes to be effective from the time it's applied to the time that it dries. For our kids to be able to come back here and be safe, we have to know that we've done everything we possibly can do to make sure that these schools are safe and ready to go for these children to come back. And if that means extra hours, extra duties, we're all in here